Hey everybody, welcome to a new Scarlet reviews and files. Welcome, thanks for tuning in. If you guys want to see me talk about what products I use on my locks, please stay tuned. Alright, so hey everybody, so this is an updated video on what I use on my locks. I know I have not done an updated video in a while, and I have to do more lock videos, and I have to do an updated wash day. But just to give you guys, show you guys what items that I'm using, what products that I'm using, so you guys can have an idea. And then when I do wash day, I'm going to do a review on one of the products that I'm going to talk about. Alright, so what I use, let's start with the cleansing. I use Jamaican Mango and Lime, and I use that shampoo, and I also be using the garlic shampoo, and then also I have been using the VO5 clarifying shampoo. Now I don't use all three of them at the same time. I done switched out, and I use the VO5 shampoo, and I use the Jamaican Mango and Lime. So I use those at the same time. Well, not at the same time. I use one first, and I use the other one next. Okay, and so the garlic shampoo I'm not using at the moment. Well, I haven't used in probably like a month or two because I have to go buy some. I thought I had some, but I don't, so I have to go and buy some. I have to go to my local Indian grocer, and I will go there probably sometime before the week is out, and I will definitely go and check them out and see if I can so I could get some garlic shampoo. So those are the cleansing agents that I use, and yes, they have sulfates in it. And I'm probably like,
VO5 clarifying shampoo, that's all like $1, that's all cheap.
okay, so anyway, you know, I take a little pause because I don't got time. Anyway, so yeah, so and so as far as the conditioner, I do use the Shea Moisture, the raw. I forgot. Yeah, I use that. Oh, but I haven't used that in a while though. But before I used that, but now I've been using the Orbi Organics White Camellia. I've been using that as my conditioner, not deep conditioner. I leave that on for like 5 minutes and I rinse it out, and then that's what I've been using for the past few washes. So I've been using, the White Camellia, but before that I was using the Shea Moisture. But right now it's the White Camellia. And then as far as a moisturizer after the shower or after I dry my hair off, no, I still use the Obia. I got the Obia. I haven't used the rose water in a while because I have to go buy some, and I want to make some too, and I will. So I haven't used it in a while, but I will go back to that. But right now I'm spraying the Obia. If you guys are not familiar with that, it's the Obia. I did a review on it a long time ago. Loose natural hair, and that's what I spray on my hair every day. I believe that has some rose water in it too. I'm not sure, but I use that. I went back to that. And what else? And then I use the Loc gel. So I'm trying to see about the Loc gel. Now the Loc gel, I'm probably gonna stop using that because I believe it may. I only use a little bit. I'm trying to see about using the grease and water method, or just using grease and see what that happens. I was gonna use the beeswax, but I'm scared because I heard a lot of people saying that they had by them getting the beeswax out, they had to use Dawn's dish detergent. No, I'm not gonna use they use Dawn's dish detergent to get the beeswax out, and I'm like, oh, I was like, that beeswax that thick, you gotta use dish detergent, like, so I'm like, oh no, I don't want to do that. And so so I'm like, dang. But so I was like, you know what, I'm not even gonna use the beeswax, so I'm just gonna stick to that. But I may try the grease and the water, so let me know if you guys want to see that. I believe African Hair God, I think he does that. So I think he used oil and water. I forgot what it was, I don't know. Don't quote me, but I've been following for a long time. I love him, he's awesome. And he's a cosmetologist, so you know, but he's mad cool. So anyway, the oils I've been using, one of the oils I've been using is the My Fluffy Puffs Regal 7 Growth Oil. So I've been using this on my edges because after I do my makeup, my edges be looking like, you know, it be having like makeup on it. So I'll put this on top of it. So this is from one of my girls, My Fluffy Puffs. So My Fluffy Puffs Regal 7 Growth Oil. She's on YouTube. I think she's still on YouTube. Yeah, she's still on YouTube. And I've been using her growth oil. So that's what I've been using on my edges. And on my scalp, I haven't, to be honest with y'all, I haven't really been putting anything on my scalp. If I do, I'll put this, but I haven't really been doing that, to be honest with you guys. I haven't been really doing that. So yeah, so that's it for that. And that's just basically about that. I'm trying to keep my hands on my head. This is not really a a lock update, but it's just products that I use on my locks. So I'm not gonna show you what my locks look like, but you see how it looks right here. So this is not a lock update. It's just products that I use on my locks. That's just basically, I don't use that. That's it. And water, you know, I mean, and I try to eat, you know, eat a little bit healthier, not a little bit, a lot, exercise more, drink more water. So, you know, trying to work on myself externally, internally and externally, you know, so people can see the physical, you know. So I'm trying to, you know, work out more, do more jump roping and stuff like that. So hopefully I'm kind of seeing a difference. I'm really seeing a difference. So let's just hope for the best by my birthday. Okay, so yes, that's basically about that. But yeah, so I'm done. So those are the things that I use on my hair, and that's the update that I use. If I forgot anything, I'll definitely annotate it in the video. But I use like very minimal products. I don't have time to be sitting there at a 9 to 5 wash day. I really don't. Actually, a 9 to 1 o'clock in the morning wash day. I don't have the time. Yes, it was that serious. I know y'all. I know that my girlfriends, they probably like, I still call them girlfriends, but I know they probably like, dang, I remember, because a lot of them did turn to locks, and a lot of them stopped using a lot of products. So, you know, because sometimes it gets a little tiring. It's just like that, like, but yeah, so with locks, with me, it's just spray and go, like, basically. Because in the morning, I try to spray my hair every day. I don't OD with it, but I go, I do 2 sprays and I'm out. I do 2 sprays, shake my head, and I'm out. You know, I don't put any oil and stuff like that. So I'm trying not to do no, you know, I don't want any product buildup or stuff like that. I don't need any detrimentals on my hair. Detrimentals. I don't need anything happening to my hair that's detrimental. I don't want it to be my fault to where I've been doing it and I could have prevented it. You know what I mean? So that's basically about that. But yeah, so I'm out of here, you guys. This is my last video. I am tired. Y'all probably can see that. I'm out of here, and thank you so much, you guys. Thank you so much. Please leave your requests down below what you want me to do. I know the next update will probably be July, my lock update. I'll just show y'all a 360 of my locks. I know y'all see it now, but I just want to just talk about the locks. I want to talk about what's been happening and stuff like that. Nothing really major. Just want to give you guys some little things, what I've been experiencing and things of that sort. But it's nothing bad or whatever the case is. But lock update, I will let you guys know. If it won't be July, I'll probably try to do June. I'll try. I don't know, but July I want to do for my birthday, so you guys can see how it looks, you know, by my birthday. Okay, so that's basically it, you guys. So let me know what you guys are using on your locks, or even on your loose natural hair. It doesn't matter, you know, but let me know what you use on your locks, and if you're a newly locked you know, person, or have you been using less of products, you know, using less, have you started using more, or do you want to use more? Do you want to do more to your locks? Have you been styling your locks? How many years are you in, or months, or whatever the case is? Let me know all that. You know, I want to dialogue down there. Okay, don't leave me out. Okay, boo. Okay, boo. Sorry. Let me get out of here because it's late. That's why I'm acting like that. But anyway, so let me get out of here, you guys. Okay, so hit the thumbs up, share if you like, and subscribe if you like. Let me know if you want more videos like this. I know I have to do more lock videos, and I have to do more hair videos. I will be doing product reviews. I'm coming back to the product reviews. I know. I just said I only had a little bit, but I have to do on Jamaican Mango and Lime. I have to do an updated wash routine, and I'm probably going to do a review on the oil. And I was watching an old video when I was loose natural, and I said I was going to review this grease that I was using. So it may be a grease video once again, because remember I did that blue magic. It's going to be another one. Okay, all right, so yeah, so that's basically about that. Let me know if you guys want me to do a grease video as well. So let me know down in the description bar below, and in the comments below. And that's basically about that, you guys. All right, any questions, comments, please watching. Peace, bye. Hey everybody, about to subscribers on what? Blue back. If you guys want to see me talk about what products I use on my natural, Hey everybody, about to if you guys want to see what I use on my it's late, that's why. Hey everybody, about to